Tata companies are expected to produce India's first homemade iPhones for both the domestic and global markets, as announced by Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar in the X post. Wistron's board of directors has granted approval for its subsidiaries SMS Infocom, Singapore, Pte. Limited and Wistron Hong Kong Limited to sign the share purchase agreement with Tata Technologies Private Limited (TPL) for the sale of its 100% indirect stake in Wistron Infocom Manufacturing India Private Limited (WMMI). The deal is worth Rs 1,000 crores and has been signed between them. Congratulating the Tata team for taking over Wistron's operations, the company that was earlier in charge of producing iPhones, Rajiv said, "The Ministry of Electronics, Information and Technology stands fully in support of the growth of global Indian electronics companies. These companies will, in turn, support global electronic brands that want to make India their trusted manufacturing and talent partner and help realize the Prime Minister's goal of making India a global electronic power." Earlier, Apple announced to produce iPhones 15 in India in order to promote Make in India and production-linked incentive. But that's not all. Global giants like Apple and Samsung are also accelerating their manufacturing operations on Indian soil. It's a clear signal of trust in India's potential as a global manufacturing hub. Yet, this journey isn't without its challenges. Bureaucracy, infrastructure bottlenecks, and a dearth of skilled labor. These are just some of the hurdles India needs to overcome. Despite the challenges, India has taken large strides in global manufacturing, attracting significant investments and making history with deals like the one with Boeing. India's growth in the manufacturing sector has been quite a journey, marked by significant milestones. With a rich history dating back to the post-independence era, India has continually strived to establish itself as a global manufacturing hub. In the 21st century, the country has seen a renewed focus on manufacturing, driven by national initiatives like the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat campaigns. Launched in 2014, Make in India aimed at transforming India into a global manufacturing hub, inviting companies from around the world to set up production units in the country. Subsequently, the Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India campaign, launched in 2020, further bolstered the manufacturing sector. This initiative emphasized on creating a self-sustaining economy that could cater to its needs while also serving the global market. These two campaigns, along with other supportive policies, have significantly contributed to India's manufacturing growth, attracting big names such as Apple and Boeing to set up their manufacturing bases in the country. These national initiatives have been instrumental in positioning India as a viable contender in the global manufacturing landscape. Among the significant players in this growth story is Tata, a name synonymous with Indian industry. The Tata Group, a conglomerate of various businesses, has been instrumental in shaping India's industrial landscape for more than a century. In a recent announcement by Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Tata companies are poised to produce India's first homemade iPhones. This is not just a milestone for Tata, but a significant leap for India's manufacturing sector. Imagine iPhones, a symbol of technological progress, made in India for both the domestic and global markets. This move signifies India's capability to produce high-quality, technologically advanced gadgets, previously dominated by other manufacturing giants. It's a tangible testament to India's evolving manufacturing landscape, and it's happening under the umbrella of Tata. What does this mean for India? It means that India is no longer just an alternative manufacturing hub, but a competitive player in the global arena. This move by Tata not only marks a significant milestone in India's manufacturing journey, but also sets the stage for future endeavors. So, what does this all mean for India and the world? Well, it's clear that India is emerging as a strong contender in global manufacturing. The journey to this point has been marked by both triumphs and challenges. With initiatives like the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat campaigns, India is promoting itself as an alternative to traditional manufacturing hubs like China. However, this journey is not without its share of obstacles. Bureaucracy, infrastructure issues, and a lack of skilled labor are all hurdles to overcome. But despite these challenges, India's manufacturing sector is showing promising growth. At the forefront of this transformation are companies like Tata. With their commitment to producing India's first homemade iPhones, they're leading the way in showcasing the potential of Indian manufacturing, not just for the domestic market, but for the global stage as well. So there we have it. India's evolving role in the manufacturing sector, the journey it's embarked on, the challenges it faces, and the key players driving this change. India's journey in global manufacturing is far from over, but one thing is certain: it's a journey worth watching.